Recently, there's been a lot of information in the news about fraudulent payments, and I'd like to speak a little bit about that right now. One of the quotes that was in one of the periodicals I saw stated something. It was spooky. How did they know our payment process? Well, that question is probably very easily answered. We're all using ERP systems, enterprise resource planning systems, and we pretty much use the same process. But given that, the key observation that came out of this is that we always need to authenticate requests. If somebody sends something via email, if it comes out from outside your normal channels to make changes, if it's made from accounts or countries we've never sent money to, if they ask you to change a vendor payment or remittance information, you should be suspicious. If the request comes by email, fax, or mail, find out who your contact is or the vendor contact is and call them by phone. Go into your system to find that phone number. Don't use the phone number on the email, fax, or mail, obviously, because they could be playing you on that. If the request comes by phone, go into the vendor contact, find the email, send an email request. Always verify changes prior to making them or requesting them to be made. Remember, DFA is updating your vendor file based on your attestation that that data is correct and valid. So make sure you have controls in place prior to submitting any request to change banking or vendor information.